Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bilal Sharif. In this video, we are going to see a very quick tutorial on how to light up a home YouTube setup, a home digital content creation. Well, one of my goals with this channel is to be a resource to content creators. If you're someone who's planning to start a YouTube channel, don't forget to check out the YouTube tip playlist that will be suggested at the end of this video. Or if you're someone who's not interested to start a YouTube channel, that's completely fine. For you people, I made a video on why you should start a YouTube channel. You can have a look at it. I have pasted the link in the description below. And do let me know if I'm able to convince you through that video. The first thing you need to know is why lighting is so important. Lighting is the cheapest and the easiest way to completely change the look and feel of your video. And personally, I could argue that lighting matters more than your camera. It doesn't matter if you're taking video through iPhone or OnePlus or DSLR, lighting is going to have the biggest impact. As you can see on the screen, this is the light which I am using for my YouTube channel, and I bought this light on 20th Jan 2022. The MRP of this light is 15,000, but in Amazon you are getting it for 47% off, that is 7,999. I have been using these lights for past 6 months, and if you ask me the feedback, this light does the job pretty well. If you are someone who's looking for lights within 10k budget, then I can recommend you this. If you don't have a proper background in your home to record YouTube videos, then don't worry, I'm planning to make a video on how you can use green screen and how you can edit the background. And you can use these lights even for a photo shoot. The best part of it comes with a carry bag. You can use this to carry the lights. If you have seen my video on why you should start a YouTube channel, I recorded that video here. At that point in time, I never used lights. You can see the difference clearly if you watch that video and compare it with the latest one. If you like this video, do share it with your friends and family members who may be interested in starting a YouTube channel. And if you're seeing value in this video, make sure you are giving it a thumbs up. And if you are someone new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching this video. This is Bilal Sharif signing out until we meet again with a new tip.